Here's a quick little subtraction review. Same thing as with addition, we need to make sure that we're neat and we line up all the numbers correctly so that the place values are all lined up. Alright, so you can see that my ones place numbers are all lined up, my tens place numbers are all lined up, my hundreds are all lined up, and my thousands. We have a problem. We can't take a 9 from 8, so we need to borrow. So we look up at the top here at the 0, and we can't take anything from 0, so we have to look at the next one, the 3. The 3 we can take something from, so we cross it off, we take 1 from it, that's a 2. We make that a 10 here, 1 0 is a 10, and then we take from that, that becomes a 9, and we take the one we took from the 9 and put it on the 8 to make it 18. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. Now we go to the tens column, we got 9 minus 9 is 0. We've got in the hundreds column 2 minus 4. We can't do that. We can't take 4 from 2, so we borrow from the 1, which becomes a 0, and the 2 becomes a 12, so that's going to be 8. So our final answer is 809. And a quick easy way to always check your work is just to add this number, and we should get the original number we started with. So 499 plus 809, add that up, 18, 10, carry the 1, becomes 12 plus 1 is 13. You can see this is right because we got back to the original number. So 809 is correct. Find the difference, and difference means subtract. So difference means subtract of $76 and $25.68. So I write it out nice and neat, line it up. Decimals get lined up, all the place values get lined up. This is money, so put a dollar sign. Now this one's going to be a little bit tougher because we got to borrow, because we cannot take an 8 from that 0. So we go over to the top here, this 0, and we can't take from that one either. There's nothing there. So we go on to the 6. We cross it out, turn it into a 5, and borrow 1 and put it here with this 0 to make a 10. Well, that's not going to help us for this 8. We need to borrow again from this one, so 10 becomes a 9, and then this becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now we're into the next column. We got 9 minus 6 is 3. Bring down our decimal. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then finally 7 minus 2 is 5. Dollar sign. So $50.32. We can check our work by adding this number and this number. Okay, running out of space, but 8 plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10, carry the 1. Bring my decimal straight down. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 2 plus 5 is 7. And you can see that we have gotten back to the original number, so that this is the correct answer.